Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that I think should happen, if I were Mozilla, I'd take this opportunity because we're at a crossroad here where Mozilla, that used to have a lot more market share than now, lost a lot, and now it's in the single digits. It's not very popular. And one of the things that I think is ready is they should take some marketing and make ads, visible ads that we're Firefox and we don't abide by the same rules as the Chromium browsers and Google Chrome. And I would seize this opportunity to kind of go out there and say, hey, if you want to have a browser that does have, the ad blockers working like uBlock Origin and so on, Firefox, the browser for you. I don't know. I would be, if I would be Mozilla, it's time to grab market share because you will get a lot of Chrome users that are right now thinking about, what am I going to do next? If they refuse to use the ad block that I use or any extensions, because there's a lot of extensions other than ad blockers that are also in there right now. That's like, oh, it's not working. I don't know. I think Firefox should seize the opportunity. They've got one right now, an opening that is kind of cool, and they should use it to try to gain market share. It's, one of the things about Firefox, for those that still don't know, is that Firefox is a totally different engine. It is not based on Chromium like every other Chromium browser out there. Whatever browser you look at when you go online, if you use Edge or you use, Vivaldi, Opera, any of these, even Brave, one thing is in common is they all use the same Chromium engine. They're all based on the same code. Now, what happens after that? Yeah, they could transform that code and do a lot of things. It's it's an open source, so you take that code and transform it into what you want to have out there. But one thing for sure, Firefox being the only one that's not based at all on Chromium, I don't know. Maybe it's time to take that market share. Maybe it's time to put ads everywhere saying, "Hey, come here. We're the ones that will let you use whatever extension you want." One thing for sure, the number of extensions on Firefox is less than on Chrome and Chromium because of the market share. But still, I don't know. That could be an option for any browser that is different. I know Brave is slightly different. Maybe Brave also, you go out there and say, hey, you know what? We're defending your rights to have your extensions that you want and so on. I don't know. Maybe it's time for that. And once again, I'll be curious to see, does that have a huge impact on the Chromium browser? What will be the market share in 6 months from now? If one thing for sure, if it doesn't have much of a change, two things here. One is that ad blockers are not that popular. And the other one is that maybe there's, no problem with whatever extension will be removed. People just moved on. But it's definitely going to be interesting to see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.